In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Vsync in League of Legends. If you've ever noticed horizontal lines or a tear across the screen, when you pan the camera or champions move quickly, that's screen tearing. Vsync, short for vertical sync, helps match the game's frame output to your monitor's refresh rate, so those lines disappear and motion looks smoother. To get started, load into an actual game. The practice tool is perfect for this because it's quick and safe. This step matters because some video options, including Vsync, rank, are only accessible while you're in a match, not from the main client lobby. Once you're in, open the Settings menu. You can click the small gear icon in the top right or press the Escape key to bring up the menu. From there, head to the Video tab. This is where all of your graphics-related options live, and it's the right place to control how the game looks and feels. Inside the Video tab, look for the Advanced section. You may need to scroll a bit depending on your resolution and UI scale. In the Advanced section, you'll find a checkbox labeled Vsync. Click that checkbox to enable it. This tells the game to sync frames to your display's refresh, which helps remove tearing and smooth out camera movement. Now, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save or Apply button and confirm. League of Legends won't keep the change unless you save, so don't skip this part. Once you do, you're all set. Vsync is now on. A few quick tips so you know what to expect. Turning on Vsync can cap your frame rate to your monitor's refresh rate. That's normal, and part of how it prevents tearing. It can also slightly increase input latency for some players, especially if your system was previously running at very high frame rates. If you're ultra-competitive and sensitive to input lag, keep that in mind while you test it. On the flip side, if tearing has been distracting, Vsync is a simple and reliable fix. If you don't see the Vsync option, double-check that you're inside a match and on the Video tab's Advanced section. If you still experience tearing afterward, confirm the checkbox stayed enabled and that your changes were saved. There's no need to restart the game. Vsync takes effect right away. And that's it. You've turned on Vsync in League of Legends, reducing screen tearing for a cleaner, smoother experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next game with a more polished look.